everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, let me tell you that I am Nidhi and I basically make videos upon like fashion, style, inspirations, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, creativity, etc, etc. You may call me a multitasker. In this video we are going to reveal whatever outfits I got made from my mom's sari. And let me give you a spoiler, you will be surprised to see that these are under 1K only. सारे ही outfits जो हैं वो under budget हैं and सारे ही लहंगे मैंने सिलाए हैं. I guess सबके prices मैं आपके description box में डाल दूँगी. Usually क्या होता है कि I am way too skinny and that is why I don't really like find a suitable outfit for myself regarding festives or like weddings. So what I do is मैं मेरी मम्मी की साड़ी उठाती हूँ and then we go to the tailor and we get it stitched out a beautiful outfit. And as you can see, I have a pile of clothes, like pile of outfits I got made from my mom's sari. So these all are made from my mom's sari. And starting with the first outfit, first one is this one. This is a golden anarkali and you must have seen me wearing this outfit in some of my videos. So yeah, this one is not from like my mom's sari. This is particularly made from golden fabric, which was for like a kurta fabric, because my father wears kurta, so that is why I had this fabric. And I decided to get it made in anarkali. So yeah, you can see this, and this has large flare because I think इसमें 6 meters लगे थे. And this outfit turned out to be very beautiful. It fits me very well. थोड़ा सा stitching का issue हुआ था, then I got it altered again, and then it fits me like you can already see. This fits me very well. And the neckline, the back, the front thing, all of them are really top notch. So yeah, if you are trying to get an outfit stitched, you can just get a plain golden fabric and get it stitched like this. That's it. I pair it up with a maroon velvet dupatta, which is very beautiful. Let me show you. So I pair it up with this maroon velvet dupatta. Also I got this fabric from market. I guess this one was for like 100 rupees per meter, and I think I got for like 2.5 meters for the dupatta. And also ye lace, this lace is very beautiful. I got this for like 15 rupees per meter. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ, then the entire outfit turned out to be like. Moving to the second one, this is my personal favorite, and this is very beautiful. Let me show you. This red anarkali, you might have seen me wearing this also in some of my videos. So this anarkali, as you can see, this was my mom's chiffon sari, and I think she got bored of it, so that is why she told us to just get an outfit stitched from that. And yes, this turned out to be very beautiful. See, also I'm obsessed with square necklines, so I got it stitched in like square neckline on both of the sides. This is pretty simple, but yeah, this turns out to be very beautiful after wearing. See, and this has a pretty flare. And the border, this was also like, this was already with the sari, so इसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी थी. So इसके दुपट्टे के लिए, because साड़ी में से बिल्कुल भी फैब्रिक नहीं बचा था, because इसमें पूरा फ्लेयर दिया है टेलर ने. So हमने क्या किया, एक similar नेट लिया, नेट का फैब्रिक, and then we got it stitched. Like हमने थोड़ा सा बॉर्डर बचा के रखा था, वो बॉर्डर हमने यहाँ पे इसके, as you can see, ये वाले, we got it stitched like on only two sides of the dupatta. So yeah, this one also turned out to be very beautiful. इसको red legging के साथ pair किया and that looks very fab. I think इसको 2-4 बार पहन भी लिया है. I got it made like recently. इसको 1 या 2 महीने पहले बनवाया है. and this turned out to be very beautiful. This is my personal favorite. So अगर आप भी किसी शिफॉन साड़ी से लाइक बनवाना चाहते हैं, गेट इट स्टिच, लाइक आप कोई भी आउटफिट बनवा सकते हैं अगर आपके एरिया में कोई अच्छा टेलर हो तो, लाइक इफ यू हैव अ ट्रस्टवर्दी टेलर आउट देयर. सो या ये वाला हो गया. सेकेंड वन इज डन. कमिंग टू द थर्ड वन. So the third thing is this one. This one is a particularly Patiala suit. This one, it looks like this. Let me show you. See, this is a Patiala suit, and this is a fabric which is called Brasso, and this fabric is very old, so that is why my mom got bored of that sari. And she told us to just us means me and my sister to just get it stitched like into an outfit, or maybe upcycle it into a outfit. So yeah, we decided to just get it stitched into a Patiala suit. So salwar ke liye I didn't like go with this sarees fabric. I just get with this fabric, golden fabric. मैंने इसको मार्केट से लिया था, and I think this one, मुझे लिटरली नहीं याद है कि कितने मीटर मैंने लिया था. Okay, whatever. It all depends on your physique. So this one was from another fabric, and the dupatta and the suit was from the sarees fabric. So this one is the suit. As you can see, this one also is having, you know, square neckline. So you can already see my obsession with square necklines. And this one is the dupatta. Basically वो राशि मोदी वाली साड़ी जो पहले चलती थी, that was the साड़ी. और उसके बाद से उसका फैशन खत्म हो गया. And then my mom got bored of this साड़ी because she already wore it like for like 1000 times. So she told us to just get it stitched into an outfit. So this one is the aanchal wala part, and I got it stitched into a dupatta. This one comes in net fabric. See, and the rest of the fabric was this suit. Chalo, moving to the next one. This is a pretty gown, and you can't believe कि इसको बनवाए हुए मुझे 4 साल हो गए, and I still haven't worn it for like once. मैंने इसको एक बार भी नहीं पहना है. This one was like made from linen kind of fabric. I just don't really understand what kind of fabric it is, but this was my mom's sari, and I got it. Like this color is very pretty. I really love olive color. So इसमें I guess साइड से ये जल गई थी किसी आंचल वांचल पे I guess. So मम्मी ने बोला कि you just make get it stitched into an outfit. So we got it like to the tailor, and the tailor turned out into a beautiful gown. So yeah, you can see how beautifully the tailor has like used all the fabrics, all the cut pieces of the sari. See, I promise to wear it very soon so that you can see how it turns out to be after wearing. Basically and ये बहुत सस्ते में बना दिया था. It's 400, and 400 में आपका अच्छा सा like 2,500-3 हज़ार का गाउन is ready. So what's wrong in like getting it stitched if you get very professional kind of, or you can say very designer kind of outfit after upcycling a sari? So why not? This
इसके अंदर एक साटिन का फैब्रिक लगवाया था so that this should give a shiny kind of look, because अगर आप कॉटन का अंदर से लगाते हो then it like कलर जो है वो बाद में फेड हो जाता है, and then it looks really like cheap kind of. So that is why we bought a satin fabric to just attach it inside the sari and got made the gown.
आप आपका 2500 का गाउन इज रेडी. I promise to wear it very soon in one of my videos so that you can see how it looks after wearing. Now moving to the next one. So now this one is a lehenga and I got it stitched out of my mom's silk sari because ये उनके शादी के टाइम की साड़ी थी. I think I got it made 4 years ago. So coming to this one, this is the blouse. This is a choti kurti kind of blouse because I did not want to like make it very revealing kind of. So this one is choti kurti kind of blouse and this one is the back. This is the back.
ये अलग से लेके लगाया था. This लड़का, this is very beautiful. And this one is the lehenga. This is the skirt, you can see. And we did not want a purple dupatta, so I bought a silk pink dupatta because it has embroidery in like golden and pink color. So that is why we contrasted it with a pink dupatta which we bought ready made
from a shop. This became an entire outfit और इसको मैंने कुछ videos में पहना भी है, so you can just check it out.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने इसको सिर्फ बनवा के रख लिया है. We wear it like in every wedding और हमें काफी compliments भी मिलते हैं कि how do you get it and how do you like get your outfit stitched out of the sari, and that is so beautiful. Moving to the next outfit. This one.
Okay, as you can see, this one is also a skirt. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेयर है, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेयर है. So you can see.
It's like, ऐसा.
And this has this kurta to pair it up with. This is the kurta to just pair it up with this skirt, and it turned out to be very beautiful.
इसको ज़्यादा इसमें सामने नहीं कराया था, so you can just see.
इसको मैंने last time मेरी मामा की हल्दी पे पहना था, and this was looking very beautiful. Okay, moving to the next one. For that I got like thousands of compliments क्योंकि ये मेरा favorite है. Like you can say 5 साल हो गए हैं इसको बनवाए हुए. I was in like 11th or 12th standard back then, and तब मैंने ये बनवाया था किसी की शादी में पहनने के लिए basically. And ये outfit is just mind blowing. Let me show you.
This is the blouse.
The real twist is this jacket. So yeah, this outfit comes into 3 pieces, and this outfit was made when I was like in 11th or 12th standard, and I got it made for like a wedding also. Also this is made out of a silk sari which was my mom's sari, and
She just came through an idea that उन्होंने किसी टीवी पे ऐसा kind of outfit देखा था, and she just suggested me to just get it stitched like that only.
And it turned out to be very beautiful. People compliment me a lot whenever I wear this outfit for like it's like 5 years or 6 years old. Still shines like this is a new outfit. I have worn it for like 9 to 10 times.
And इसका color, इसका shine is still the same. So आप ऐसे भी बनवा सकते हो.
Moving to the next one, and this outfit is the top-notch outfit you can ever see. Like,
you can never believe that this outfit is made out of a sari, and this is a stitched, not designer, but this was stitched by an ordinary tailor in my town. So yeah, let me show you.
You will not believe that this is made out of a sari.
Basically, this was made out of 2 sarees. Let me show you, then I'll tell you the story behind this.
See? We invested the entire sari into making the skirt, and that's how it turned out to be. Like, it has too much flair, and when you twirl in this lehenga, it looks really beautiful.
Now moving to the blouse part. This gives a Rajasthan kind of vibe.
See.
I worn it back in 2022 when I went for a destination wedding in Uttarakhand, and I wore it on the mehendi ceremony of my uncle, and I
was bombarded with compliments. So many people were complimenting about my outfit, and I told them that this is stitched, and they could not believe that. Is this possible for is this really possible to turn a sari into such beautiful outfit? ये वाला कारनामा मेरा था,
and I just यहाँ पे मैंने इसको stitch कर दिया था. Now coming to the dupatta, this is made out of another sari जो किसी वजह से फट गया था, and that is why ये साड़ी मुझे बहुत पसंद थी, so I thought to just make a dupatta out of it and I'll just pair it up with this skirt and blouse.
इसके लिए मुझे मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी बहुत, because this साड़ी already came with this border, so मुझे बस ये करना था कि उस साड़ी से दुपट्टे के लेंथ का कट करा, and then I made it a dupatta out of that साड़ी, and see how it turned out to be.
This gives you an entire peacock kind of vibe, and you can just wear it. Like, I have worn it in most of mehendi ceremonies, and I have worn it for like 5 to 6 times. इसको मैंने back in 2022 बनवाया था, and this is still new. Like, it feels like it's a new outfit, और मैंने इसको बहुत बार नहीं पहना है. So yeah, this is still my favorite. I will wear it for like 5 more times, 10 more times, I can say.
Okay, last but not the least, this one.
This is an anarkali made out of a sari, which was like really simple sari, so I thought to just turn it out into an anarkali. So yeah, this is how it turned out. This is pretty bandhani kind of anarkali, you can say. This is a bandhani pattern.
Okay, we are done with this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, please do share it, please do like, and don't forget to comment which outfit you liked the most. You can just refer to these outfits as a design if you want to get your mom's sari stitched into a beautiful outfit. So yeah, let's move further. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, do hit the bell button, and do share it with your friends जिसको जुगाड़ बहुत पसंद है, like regarding the outfits and looks and style and pose. So yeah, meet you in the next video. Bye.